Usually we obsess over the chef's knife, like treating it like some delicate samurai sword. But welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions.
Yeah, we baby the fancy knives, but the kitchen shears just get tossed into a crowded drawer to cut like literally everything.
Exactly. And just a quick heads up, the product buy link is available in pinned comment and description. And also, for like, share, comment, and subscribe, just do that as we get into this. Today's deep dive is for you to see if the insanely popular iBuyAm 2-pack 8-inch kitchen scissors actually belong in your kitchen.
So we are looking at over 56,760 reviews, and they have a 4.8 star average.
Wait, 56,000? That is massive.
I know, right? And the kicker here is they cost just $10 for a 2-pack, so basically $5 a pair.
$5? That is wild. I mean, on paper, you get stainless steel blades, a comfort grip, and even those little protective covers.
Right. They're basically the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen drawer, marketed for poultry, fish, cardboard, pizza.
Pretty much whatever you throw at them. But come on, you'd think a $5 blade would just snap the second it hits a thick bone.
You would think so, yeah. But the field data is showing the exact opposite, which actually makes sense when you think about the physics.
Right, because unlike a knife that relies on, friction to slice, scissors act like a wedge and a lever.
Exactly. The fulcrum is doing all the heavy lifting there. And that mechanical advantage is why over 1,700 buyers specifically highlight their intense cutting power.
Really? Just slicing right through the tough stuff.
Oh yeah, like effortlessly snipping right through thick chicken tendons. People are even using them to portion Korean BBQ right at the table.
Oh wow, that is actually super smart for Korean BBQ. But okay, let's unpack this for a second. At $5 a pair, aren't they bound to fall apart or just turn into rust buckets eventually?
Well, there is a catch. The durability ratings are mostly stellar, but some users did say they can feel a bit stiff. And a few buyers even had a handle fall off under extreme pressure. Plus, there's the rust issue.
Let me guess. The classic dishwasher safe trap.
You got it. They're explicitly labeled dishwasher safe, but several buyers reported rust forming right near that center joint after washing them.
Yeah, that makes total sense chemically. Budget stainless steel usually has a lower chromium content, so when you throw it in a dishwasher, the extreme heat and those harsh detergents just strip the protective layer right off.
Right, and that center joint traps all the moisture and grinds away the coating with friction. So hand washing is really the only way to maintain them over time.
So if they need that extra care, why is this specific set so universally praised? Like, why not just buy one expensive pair of premium shears?
Because the real genius is actually the 2-pack format itself. By having 2 identical pairs, you can completely isolate your workflows.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, you keep one strictly for food prep, like spatchcocking a chicken, and the other for household utility.
Right, like breaking down gritty cardboard boxes, which totally protects the micro edge of your food shears from getting dull.
Exactly. Plus, buyers are heavily praising those snap-on protective covers. It is a massive safety win for when you are blindly reaching into that chaotic kitchen drawer.
Which protects your fingers and the blades. It is such a simple design choice, but it really makes you step back and look at your whole kitchen ecosystem,
Oh, totally.
Like, we spend so much energy agonizing over these buy-it-for-life major appliances. But how much time are you currently wasting in the kitchen wrestling with dull scissors when a simple $10 upgrade could completely streamline your meal prep?
Seriously.
How many other cheap, neglected tools are secretly dictating how much you actually enjoy cooking? Just something for you to think about.
Absolutely. Well, you've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel,
where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications.
You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more interesting toys.
One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.